whisker biscuit. This one, the brushes have started to cross each other, so it's getting pretty worn out. So bought a new one, put that on here, slide my bow in. I also got some 125 grain broadheads. I'm going to be switching to shooting 100 grain. Slide my bow in to 125 grain. So that's what we got going on today. So, grouping was good. That's at 20 yards. The only problem is I was aiming in the middle of the vacuum. I was aiming right there. I need to slide it over a couple inches. Alright, so first two shots were right there. I slid it over, aiming right there at 20, I'm shooting 3 inches high. So I don't know if changing the whisker biscuit, if that did that. Because I kept the same weight field point, so I'm still shooting 100 grain. And I was pretty much dead on at 20 yards previously. So without adjusting my pins, I'm now going to shoot the 125 grain, and I'll just see how much that drops at 20 yards. So I gotta change the battery on my camera first though. So those last two felt really good. The first one, not so much. But I know I was holding good right there, and I hit about 1 inch high. So definitely drops at 20 yards, going up the 25 grains. So going to adjust my pins just a little bit. Try to get it dead on.